Today, not that I need to, just so you know how to jumpstart a vehicle with a battery in the trunk, or in this case, under the passenger seat. So we'll go and I have a jump pack, or if you have jumper cables. In my case, I have a jump pack. Oh, it's on the other side. I gotta dig it out. And I've got a Rescue 900 pack that's charged. And pop the hood. Yeah, it's right here. Mercedes GL 350 diesel. In here. So the whole point is to show you what you need to do. And in this case, you're going to look for this, push it back, and you see this post. So it's got that hexagon looking thing. This is your positive, and you'll have to look for another one that looks similar to it. In my case, this would be the negative, and if you don't have another post like this, you have to ground it to the frame somehow. But in this case, a BMW is similar. Make sure your power is off. Unclamp your positive. Get it situated on the post. Make sure you're like that. And these little paddles here are good for keeping them away from being electrified. And then you take this one and you clip it on this terminal post. And then all you have to do is flip the power on and you're good to go try to jump your car. And you have to do the reverse, turn it off when your car is started. Make sure you're not touching any metal and clamp it back on this terminal. And you may see sparks while you're doing this. Don't worry about it. Just make sure not to touch these things to any metal. And that's it. Rescue Pack 900. And there's a tester on here too. See if it's any good. It says it's got a full charge. There's a Christmas tree here. Red, yellow, green. So I'll put a link to this if they still make it. I've had it for quite a while. All it is a battery in the base of this with a little circuit board. There's a little plug for it. This must be a fuse reset. What else does it say? Just some of that stuff. Anyways, I must have bought it in 2000. Oh, maybe it might have been 18. Anyways, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. That's what that thing looks like. And you can now jumpstart your BMW or Mercedes. Just close your left flap when you're done. Thanks for watching.